Hi, this is Jon Modene with RE/MAX Masters, and I want to help you learn more about real estate in Northwest Ohio. Today's topic for my Northwest Ohio real estate update is simple, and it's a question that a lot of buyers ask me and a lot of sellers think about too. And it's, what are title companies for? Why do I really need title insurance, John? So that's a great question. Let's go and get some answers. First of all, in Ohio, we use title companies, also known as the title agent or the closing agent, in almost all real estate transactions. In other states, there are different ways, for example, where attorneys do the closing and the title work, or title attorneys do it. But that happens more predominantly on the East Coast, and as you can imagine, that can cost a lot more money. So here in Northwest Ohio, there are a lot of title agencies, title companies, but they all seem to use the paper, that's the underwriting policy paper, or policy issued by one of 4 or 5 different title insurance firms that operate nationwide. And to make it even more complex, you cannot just have a deal as a title company with a national insurer and open shop. You really should have access to what is called a title plant, which is a searchable database of past policies that makes your title insurance stronger and would lead you to have less claims. And there are only 2 or 3 of those plants in Northwest Ohio. If you have all of these, a closer or a closing agent, an underwriter or an insurance company, access to the county records, and access to the title plant, then you can issue your seller and your buyers a title policy. I further want to point out to you that all the rates with the insurance are regulated and controlled by the state of Ohio. So, because it's insurance and the state of Ohio regulates insurance. So it's title insurance, and it's not needed to buy a house or a lot. You need a contract and you need a ready, willing, and able buyer and seller, but you don't need title insurance. But if you're using a bank, and here's where we seem to be at an impasse with people. If you're using a bank and you say, I don't want title insurance, your bank's going to say, well, then we're not going to give you a loan, because banks always require their loan to have a title policy in place on the house you want to buy. Cash buyers, therefore, can skip this and close without title insurance. No one makes you use title insurance. The state doesn't. The real estate broker won't. But your lender does. And get this, most buyers, almost all buyers, use title insurance every time, even cash buyers. Why is that? Well, it's because you might buy a house, and in 5 years' time, you get a knock at the door from the first wife of the third owner 3 times before you bought the house, who shows up and says, hey, I want my money. You own this house and you don't have clear title. That's happened. It's happened to people. It's happened in Ohio. And a title insurance policy protects you from that. It has no deductible. It has no annual premium. It never expires. And the insurer gives you lifetime full coverage for any defect in your title as long as you own the house. So it is a weird type of insurance, but it's also an excellent type of insurance. And I've sold thousands of homes and only seen a very few title insurance claims crop up. But if it happens to you, and if that knock on the door comes to you, it is catastrophic. That's why all of my clients get title insurance. Our team motto here at the Jon Modene team is simple: a tradition of trust in Northwest Ohio real estate. The tradition of trust ethos works. It's based on proven biblical concepts, always telling the truth and always treating others better than you would want to be treated. And we can't wait to help more people buy, sell, manage, and grow their real estate holdings. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, have any real estate questions, or you want to sell or buy, just call John. I'm at 419-466-SOLD. Check us out at 466sold.com or modene.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.